Hi everybody, this is Sonya, and this video is for the Stitchy Carousel package. This is going to be information that you will need to know for participating in the Stitchy Carousel package. I have already sent you info, some of you inviting you, others just through message. So a lot of this you already know. I'm just going to go over it and kind of talk about some other things that are important to make this a success. So let's go ahead and get started. First off, I want to thank everybody for participating in the Stitchy Carousel package. It's fun. It's fun to wait for it. It's fun to get it. It's fun to open it and see what's all inside. And it's also fun to destash and take stuff out of our stash that maybe we haven't used. And we've had it for a year or so, and it's just sitting there. Perfect way to get rid of that. Get rid of the clutter. Maybe find something that you like out of the box. And, it's good for everybody. We have 15 people that are participating this year. Last year, I think we only had 10. So, this information is going to be very useful since we have so many people. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm looking down because I have my notes. Okay. I am going to start the carousel package. I am going to mail the carousel package on February the 1st to the first person. Okay, now this is what's going to happen with that person and everybody following her. This is exactly what should happen. Okay, when you receive the package, make a video showing the box or showing yourself opening the box, but do not show what is in the box. Just show the box. My Stitchy Carousel package came. Here's the box. Open it so that you cannot see what's in the box. Decide what you want to keep. Show us what it is that you are keeping. And then replace those items with items from your stash. So for instance, if you decide to keep 2 things, then you go to your stash and you find 2 things that you haven't used or don't intend to use or whatever, and put them back in the box. And that's pretty much all there is to that. You can put more things in the box than you take out, but there will be 8 items. I am starting the box out with 8 items. There must always be 8 items in the box. So if you want to put more items in there than the 2 or the 3 that you take out, then you need to get one of those Ziploc bags, and you need to, what I call, bundle. Say you have 2 or 3 charts, extra charts that you want to get rid of. Put them in the Ziploc bag and put counts as 1 item. So anybody that looks at that and sees counts as 1 item and they want it, then they take it, and that counts as 1 thing that they have to replace. So that's how that works. Okay, the things that you can put in the box. You can put in needles, like a package of needles if you want. You can put crochet books. If you're going to put books, if anyone's going to put books, you probably will want to go the flat rate shipping, so that it doesn't cost an arm and a leg to ship it. But anyway, the cross-stitch books with the patterns are good. Leaflet charts, kits, floss. If you've got the, the floss holders, the plastic thing, you don't want those anymore, you can put those in there. Anything cross-stitch related can go in there. Patterns, charts, kits, floss, needles, magazines, but everything must be in good, very good new condition that goes in the box. So, it's up to you what you put in there. You guys all understand cross-stitch related, hoops, Q-snaps, anything like that is fine to go in there. Okay. And do not show what you are putting in the box, because that way it's a surprise for everybody. Nobody knows except the people that have already done it what is in the box. So we keep it a surprise that way for the next person and the people afterwards. And like I said before, there should only be 8 items in the box, plus anything that is bundled should be in the Ziploc bags. Okay, now we need to mail the package off the day after you receive it. So you need to make your video right away and put your things in and mail it off the next day. By priority mail only. The reason for this being that we have 15 people. And I figure depending on how people are lined up to get their things, priority mail can take 2 to 3 days to get somewhere. And then you hang on to it for the day and mail it. So we're talking 3 to 4 days for each person. So it's going to be a month, a little over a month, before it is totally finished. So that is why I have went priority mail this year only. Last year we had some people that were sending at the retail ground, and it was taking 5 to 8 days in between each person, or till the next person. We had a couple of people doing that, and it took way, way too long to do it that way. So that is why the priority mail. And I also ask that you please send me a tracking number with, when you mail your package, send me the tracking number. That way I can watch the progress of each package in case there comes a problem, and I can be on it and take care of it right away. So make sure to send me the tracking number as well. And I think that is it. So yeah, put anything cross-stitch related in the box. Make a video when you get the box, showing the box. Show what you keep from the box. Do not show what is in the box or what you are putting in the box. Mail it the next day by priority mail. Send me the tracking number, and that is it. And I will have everyone's name that is participating and their YouTube channel. There is one person that will not be doing a video. There is one person that is on Instagram, but she has gave me her Instagram name. And the person that is not doing the video will be telling me what she took from the box, and I will add that in the description when her time comes, so that everyone will know. So anyway, all the YouTube channels will be there. I would like everybody to please subscribe to everybody that is on the list, so that you can see and watch the progress of the box and see what everybody takes from the box. After the swap is over, if you no longer want to subscribe to these cross stitchers, then at that time, then you can unsubscribe if you would like, unless you found that you liked to watch these people, and then you can continue to subscribe. I will be sending you either an email or a message, so be watching this week for those. Check your messages on YouTube and check your emails, because I will be sending you the rules once again, plus the name and address of the person that you will be sending the package on to. And if anybody feels when they get the box, if the box looks like it needs to be replaced, please feel free to replace the box. We had to replace it 3 times on the last one. So please feel free. If you feel that it won't make it another go, please replace the box. And put on the outside of the box, Stitchy Carousel. That way when someone gets the box, they know exactly what it is. So that is all for now. I want to thank everybody so much for participating, and I look forward to getting this box on the road and getting this swap started. So I will be talking to you again soon. Take care.